wants to blow his
I'm making sport, lad.
Take 7. Hey, so what's happening here?
No, start again.
Harry, I didn't like the baby. Morning. So, another day, another very early start. A bit tired this morning. So yesterday evening when I left here, we were doing a bit on the truck. We weren't meant to, but then we have the kit there and we decided, look, we're gonna, today's the day, we're going to kit in it, end of story. But the pickup's right here. So, I'm after looking everywhere. It's not like it's small, but it's not tiny. I'm after checking on the bottom shed. I'm checking around the yard. I didn't check in the other shed because there's no room there because the Sora's taking that old shed up. But I'll show you what I seen when I came in this morning. So I said to myself, I can't really took it home or something like that. And I said, it can't fit in here because, as you can see, here's the Sora. There it is. So someone decided, yeah, to stuff the little pickup into this shed. Tell you one thing, we're not going to have too much problems around this place. Storing it anyway. It's not like it's going to be stored there, because let's say everyone just want to be driving everywhere they go. Anyway, wait for the lads to come in. I'm going to fire the kit on to today. Today's going to be good. This episode will be a good one. There he is. Oh, there's Craig walking behind us, so it's definitely Rick. Rick caught you. So today, Craig, yeah? Today mainly is, yeah?
Yeah.
Building up our truck day. Yeah?
We weren't supposed to, we have a Sora to build to get up on the side.
Yeah, the fucking whole Sora, the Sora's fucking on coming to a standstill because of the pickup.
Yeah, true.
But anyway,
Get our priorities right.
this little shed here, over here, let's be walking his little baby.
Yeah.
Anyone doesn't know, the Rick lad has a fascination with MX5s. Yeah? Yeah, sorry. Oh, Craig, put his red one in there. So, the old fucking shack. She's looking fucking well. I like that colour, Rick. Is that a Porsche colour?
No, it's MX5 white.
Yeah, I think it's RX-7 white.
I done your Porsche, innit?
I think he might have copied me. She fucking looks ellie. Anyway, watch this space, not right, Richard.
There you go.
Right, lads, yeah? You want to bring her down for a bit of petrol? What do you reckon she'll hold? Oh, here's a little.
See the tank there at the back of it.
I'm gonna say €30.
I'm going to say
No, more than that.
she's empty. I'm going to say
Well, like it's probably like 30 litre tank.
And that's small, that's just tanking in the Beetle. Literally the same size.
here. Leave it out. I'm going to say 45.
Yeah, actually, I think maybe 40.
40. And Rick, what are you saying? 39. Huh? I'm trying. We did show that in the last episode, didn't we?
And you've already seen the last episode, YouTube.
We've already
We're
seen
ahead
it.
of ourselves.
My job today is get that to pull that. Let me go on the back of that.
You're going to have to get some power into that yoke today, or that's not going to pull it with no power.
It's actually very light in this, Craig. Anyway, enough of our shy talk, yeah? Let's get the truck. I'm going to follow you down the road to the garage. I'm going to videos. Videos is people might feel sorry for you. Say.
Oh, I don't think so.
You're going to be jealous of us. Yeah.
We got to fire it up for him. Craig, up. Craig, no stoppies. Okay, be gentle with her. And they're away. I'm going to say something very sensible here. That obviously people that watch this channel, it's you know, you watch it for the crack with the cars and all that, but I think the likes of cars, if you're into this type of stuff, I think it's great for the old mental health and everything. There's the two boys there, buzzing. If one of them is after having a bad day yesterday, or got up this morning in bad form, boy jeez, I tell you one, It's the opposite for him now. Where the fuck is he going to? Better up, boys.
What the heck?
Huh? That was a very illegal thing you done that time, Richard.
It was.
What you reckon? She make sure she's petrol for you, anyway.
Is he ever laugh?
Huh?
Is he ever laugh?
I was looking at people going, boy, like you just put a smile on people's faces this morning. Huh?
Oh, you see the room the old guy going down the lane?
What?
The room the guy going down the lane.
Oh, I didn't make it. Boys, a pet.
42.
What?
42.
What did you say?
I said 4.
Gee, one of the little narrow roads around our area. Huh? If you came across another one. Take a long look at this. Right in the state it's in now, because in a hour's time. Right. It looks a lot different. Bring her out this way, drag up. I was just overhearing you once, right? So, Craig, the hooligan, yeah?
Yeah.
Dave built one of these, yeah?
Yeah.
So that's what I'm going to put up on the telly now, see what way they cut their arse now, eh? But, is this...
The second Pandem toy truck in the world, because this was actually a one-off kit for Hooligan.
Did they just build it for them, Rick?
Rick has contacts.
So who are you talking to?
You man, Dorito.
What was he saying?
I was just asking about the can we get a body kit for him? And how much it was, blah blah blah. And then he didn't actually believe that we wanted to buy it. And then I said, yeah, we've the truck boss. And he's like, oh. So here we are. Second in the world.
So but really, they would have made a mould. They would have made one for that
Yeah,
truck.
it's all fucking computerized designs of the scan of the truck.
Yeah.
And then he makes a mould out of that. And then he makes the body kit. So yeah, I
So-
imagine he still had the mould off. The other
So,
one.
when you gave him a shout, he said, those stupid fucking Irish boys.
Yes,
Yeah.
pretty
Right.
much.
That's it. So he asked you 2 times, are you sure you want it?
Yeah. Yeah. Seemed a bit in disbelief.
Well, here we are now, 2.5 months later. Huh?
Like,
So, the little truck. Really kitted out, Richard, isn't she?
Yes. Not so
A
little.
few brackets. She's looking a bit bigger than little now, isn't it? This is it. You think Narito now would have gave you instructions for that lad? That's the rear of the
Yeah.
So, she's looking kind of chunky now. Gee, she's a bit of half a foot wider on the back. Easy. That's wider than the 325, okay? Well, the kit, maybe not the whole machine. Front splitter on her.
yeah.
This is looking kind of cool. Now, Rick, do you reckon this is just a universe when he just fired over to us, or do you reckon it's for this truck?
He made it.
You made it for the truck? Oh, Jesus.
Don't mess with Rocket Bunny / Pandem with that head.
We'll have to keep all the little lights and all orange, don't we? It's not going to be all Japo, right? No, no.
That's one question. So the question is, I think we need measuring tape.
Because
I'd imagine they have it offset, the hole. Now, this is the rear diffuser, so we just basically screwed up with a self-tapper into the petrol tank.
oh, lads.
Wait,
That's no idea.
you're working. That was gonna come clean off you.
Here, that's too low. That's stupid.
Shut up.
Moan.
the fuck
I don't even let him go on, Rick.
Rick,
Look, sit
I
on,
knew
sit
it.
on the leaf spring there.
Rick, do you know what he done? He says, oh,
Right, take over.
Rick, do you know what he said?
Put it in there.
I'm going to give Mr. Rick whatever the fuse is
Job
on the
done.
shelf.
This is for this car.
Isn't it whole over the car?
It is, they made it with the fucking kit and stuff.
But you know, I think we need coilovers to hire this car.
A higher, yeah. It's actually pretty low, isn't it?
Yeah.
Ah, that's like, here, is it upside down or something?
Tip it over mountain.
Yeah, she's not very practical, Craig, is she?
It's practical for me. It's not practical for you. You'll just get out.
No, but it's not. It's, your rear bumper. It's always important to have her a bit higher, Craig, because you go over a ramp, that thing is just going to come clean off.
Actually,
Huh?
fair, that thing I really like it.
Well, you can't, I think you have to chop it in half. or something.
You cut it like around the leaf string. Then go back further. But then again, you don't want to use it on top of the plate.
Oh, mine.
That probably costs a
I
bit of
told
grand, so you're not
that,
getting...
like, if there's any spare stuff from Rocket Bunny, it's mine. And I already gave you my fucking key tag.
Key tag?
Yeah, that was.
That came with it.
Yeah, I said anything that comes with it is mine.
That key tag cost about 3 grand. Gee, that's stupid, that is, hey. What was he thinking?
Grumpy today, isn't he?
What was he thinking, Richard?
What's stupid about it?
Oh,
It's a koi truck with a pan and fucking body kit. You know. Fair, right?
to be fair, it's... I don't know if we like it either. It's a bit mad, alright. Well, look, Craig's taking pictures. He must like it, else he's Snapchat. Hmm. You Snapchatting, Craig?
Yeah.
Jeez, I thought I had the microphone off there. Thanks be to Jesus. I didn't. Anyway. It's nearly a wrap for today, isn't it?
Yeah.
No, sure, we didn't do much.
We did do fuck all, we didn't say. I would have the kid on myself in 10 minutes this morning.
Yeah, Arseface.
Shut up, you prick. Anyway, right. Oh, here, the little engine one up here. I might as well show it. So this engine that's in this is actually out of the Suzuki Bandit 1200.
Yeah.
Right, so
660cc, which actually equals 660 brake horsepower.
yeah,
That's
600 horsepower. To the rear wheels as well, mind you.
Have you seen it?
Or you could say rear wheel.
Rear wheel?
Yeah.
Depending on which one gets gripped first.
If you want to see this show do some epic burnouts, check out our last video. 660cc.
You know what we do? Take off all the fucking sides we're down, should be extra light in the back there, and we go out and do donuts. I was looking at the youngins doing donuts in there.
Yeah, but theirs is a rotary.
No, without it.
Yeah? Ooh.
We'll do it.
Right, keep an eye on this. Come on, Craig. Buzzing. Oh, I love it. Love it. Right, I'd like to see a bit of sunlight in it. With the kid on it. So we got this, we only got it yesterday evening. And we said we're going to wait a few weeks before we put the kit in the Craig, didn't we? And here we are. Watch the bumper. Oh my god. Rick, what are we after fucking doing?
We are after creating a fucking masterpiece.
We're after creating a monster. Jesus Christ.
That's hilarious.
Oh my god. Hey! We are saying that this is the second one of these in the world. It really is, isn't it?
Yeah.
Is there a reason for that? Huh? I'm gonna do this stuff. I'm gonna do the angle of it.
Right, so on AAA competitions tomorrow night we have a brand new car going live. Now it's a car that you've seen on the channel already, and it's actually the Pandem Golf van. So as Blaine here is doing a few pictures and videos for trying his best
For drift games.
So
It was built here, that makes sense.
It was built here. You know, the lads weren't sure if they wanted to sell it, but then again,
Yeah.
it gives so many people a chance to actually take this car home, and it's the excitement and everything of it.
Exactly, that's
So
it.
it's
And it is a pretty cool looking car.
back.
It's back. Oh, do you know what? I had a feeling, Craig, yeah, that Dave, yeah, would have lost interest in it. Like, huh? When he turned it from a lovely practical car, yeah, into a showstopper.
I think it's more a case of we need money to fix other things.
But anyway, yeah, go check it out, Craig.
So,
Tickets are on sale.
8 o'clock, get your tickets.
Dead on.